Okay, everybody, you're wondering, Mr. G, how come you're in the dark? The reason why is because we're going to be testing using this conductivity tester, which is a light bulb, and electrodes. And what we're going to do is we're going to test a variety of solutions to see what they do if they conduct electricity. So let's take a peek. And we'll zoom in nice and close so you can see. Here is our apparatus. There you go. Okay. And I have paper here so you can see the filament, and here you can see the electrodes. Okay, so first, let us try pure water, which is also known as distilled water or purified water. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the power on, and let's look. Do we see the light bulb glowing? No, you see the screen of the computer reflecting, but that little black thing is not glowing. And on the bottom here, there's nothing happening. You don't see any bubbles happening at the electrodes. Okay, so let's turn it off. This is very dangerous. Do not try this at home. And now we're going to try something fun. Let's try, oh, here we go. This is water, plain water again, but I'm going to add some sugar, so let's test the water. Test the water. Nothing happening, nothing happening. We're going to take some sugar, put it in there, turn it on. Stir, 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 stir. Nothing happening. Nothing happening. Just you, Mr. G. That's kind of boring. You're right, it is. Turn it off. Let's rinse it off. Okay, now purified water again. Test, test. And now, for fun, we're going to add some salt. Ho! I guess that was on. Hello? Is that bright? Yeah, very much so. So, jeepers, how did that do that? Salt. Let's turn that off. Wow, you can really see that. Wow. Okay, now let's give it a rinse. Now let's try something else. Ooh, Gatorade. Yummy, Gatorade. Let's try that. Turn it on. Whoa! Jeepers. Wonder what's in that Gatorade. Could it be electrolytes? Okay, now let's try some more things. How about delicious Edison tap water? Let's turn the water light on, see what happens. I don't know if you can see it. It's got a little glow to it. I'll bring it closer. Hopefully you guys can see it. Can you see that? It's glowing a little bit. Oh, something in the tap water. And if you look closely at the bottom, you can actually see little bubbles forming. And we're going to learn about that later because it's the water decomposing. Interesting. So that is delicious Edison tap water. Yum, yum, yum. Let's try something else. But Mr. G, how about spring water? Will spring water be better? Let's see. Bring it close. It's not glowing as much. And if you look really closely at the base, You see a little bit of bubbling going on. So spring water does contain a tiny bit of dissolved solids. Mr. G, how about rainwater? Oh, let's see what's in the rainwater. Let's turn it on. Let's see. No, nothing. Anything happening on the bottom? No, nothing. Is rainwater pure water? No, but does it have any dissolved solids in it? Not too many. We'll talk about that later when we do acid rain. And how about, just for giggles, I have some special alkali water. And we're going to learn about that later when we do acids and bases. So let's try that out. Turn it on. Let's see what we got. I don't know, can you see? It's glowing very slightly. Is it making bubbles? Oh, look, it is making bubbles. So it is conducting a tiny bit. They put something in that water that's conducting electricity. So interesting. So, what do you think? Which ones have ions and conduct electricity, and which ones don't?